Hi, this is Paul Ingebrigtsen. I'm President and CEO of Williams Sound from Minneapolis, Minnesota, and we're at the InfoComm, or not InfoComm, this is ISE, isn't it? ISE 2014. And we got some exciting new products that we're introducing here. The first one I'll show you is called the DigiLoop. This is an induction loop amplifier. It's actually a dual amplifier that can operate a single induction loop, two independent induction loops in different rooms, for instance, or it can operate what's called a phased array type of induction loop, where you use two loops in the same room that are operated out of phase to get more even coverage and to reduce overspill. The unique capability with this amplifier is you can also operate one of the amplifiers to drive an induction loop and the other amplifier to drive loudspeakers. So if you have a conference room or a classroom, this can be the primary amplifier in the room, take care of all the listening needs. Some other unique features: this is the first induction loop amplifier available in the market that has network connection and network control capability. And that allows for easier installation and also for monitoring and control of the system. As sound systems in general have become more networked and all of the elements of the sound system have to play together, the hearing assistance equipment doesn't have to be a bolt-on outside piece anymore. It gets to play along with everything else. So what we have here is an app that is the GUI for operating the amplifier, and all of the inputs can be adjusted and controlled from here. The configuration, single loop, dual loop, phased array, or loop and speaker output are selected here. And the thing that this really helps the installer with is to properly set up, calibrate an induction loop, you have to use a field strength meter in the listening area. So with other products, you either have to work with a partner who's back where the amplifier is making adjustments while you take your readings, or you have to literally run back and forth, adjust it, go back and measure and see what result you got. With the network connection capability and using a wireless tablet, you can be in your listening area with your field strength meter and adjust your amplifier all from that location. So it makes for a quicker and easier installation. And then also for installations where you might have multiple rooms, multiple loops, say a university campus or a courtroom, with the network connection, that allows you to access, control, and monitor all of the different loops from a central location. So that's become increasingly important as systems become more networked. So we're showing this for the first time here at ISE to our European audience, and excited to introduce this to the marketplace. Another product that I'll show you very quickly, this is an induction loop amplifier. Induction loop systems are preferred by people who have hearing aids because if they have a telecoil in the hearing aid, they have in effect a built-in receiver for the induction loop. But if you have hearing loss and you don't have a hearing aid, or you don't have the right kind of hearing aid, then we have a receiver that's used with an earphone or a headphone, and that also will pick up the signal from the induction loop, and that lets people who don't have hearing aids use the loop system as well. And that's the DigiLoop system.